Thriving gardens without soil, the magic of hydroponics. Welcome to the world of hydroponic gardening, the innovative method of growing plants without soil, unlocking a new era of farming. Imagine your kitchen, balcony, or backyard transforming into a lush garden. Hydroponics makes this possible, even in the smallest spaces. This method uses nutrient-rich water solutions, allowing plants to grow faster and healthier. It's a game changer for urban agriculture. Hydroponic systems can be set up anywhere, making it perfect for city dwellers. Picture harvesting fresh herbs right in your kitchen. Say goodbye to traditional gardening challenges. No more battling soil-borne diseases or pests. Hydroponics offers a cleaner, more controlled environment. Not only does hydroponics save space, but it also conserves water, making it an eco-friendly alternative to conventional gardening methods. Join us as we dive deeper into hydroponic gardening. Discover how you can cultivate a green thumb, no matter where you live.